In this video, you'll learn how to create a Proforma invoice in Zoho Books. By following these steps, you will be able to customize and save your invoice template effectively. Begin by navigating to the Zoho Books dashboard. Open your web browser and go to the Zoho Books application. Once you are on the home page, you should see the dashboard with various options available on the left sidebar. Next, locate and click on the gear icon labeled Settings in the bottom left corner of the dashboard. This will open the Settings menu where you will find several customization options for your account. After that, select Customization from the Settings menu. This option will lead you to a new screen where various customization settings for your invoices and other documents can be accessed. Once this appears, click on PBF Templates here. You will see a list of all the available templates that you can modify to suit your business needs. This is where you will manage your invoice templates. Proceed by clicking on All Invoice Templates. This selection will display all the invoice templates you have in your account, allowing you to choose which one you want to edit for the Proforma invoice. Now, you need to click on the Edit button next to the template you wish to customize. This action will take you to the editing interface for that specific invoice template. After entering the editing interface, look for the section labeled Transaction Details and click on it. This section allows you to adjust the details related to the transactions included in your invoice. Next, click on Document Details. This section enables you to modify the header and title information that will appear on your Proforma invoice, giving it a professional appearance. Once this appears, find the option labeled Show Document Title and click on it. This will ensure that the title you set will be displayed prominently on the invoice. Then click on the title field itself. This will allow you to edit the text that appears as the title on your invoice. Type in Proforma Invoice to set this as the document title. This is a crucial step as it defines the type of invoice you are creating for your client. After entering the title, click on Refresh Preview. This action will generate a live preview of how your Proforma invoice will look with the changes you have made. Finally, click on Save to store all the modifications you have just completed. It's important to confirm that all your changes are saved to ensure your Proforma invoice is ready for use. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.